Need a cute and unique gift idea for Valentine's Day? Enhance an old photo of you and your love with the image enhancer tool in the UniConverter. Hello everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. Let's take a look at the AI image enhancer tool of the UniConverter 16 and how you can enhance old, low quality or even black and white photos with it. Before we begin, be sure to have the UniConverter 16 that you can download from videoconverter.wondershare.com. This software has many amazing tools as well for video, audio, and image processing, so it's 100% worth it to have it on your machine. So we're gonna take an old black and white photo and turn it into a high quality colorized one. You can follow along with the tutorial using your own photo, of course, which then you can print, frame, and gift to your love. After opening up the UniConverter 16, you'll find the AI image enhancer in the image section of the software. With this tool, you can enhance images in a batch as well, but now I'll just import one image that I'd like to work on. Now, on the right side, you see the functions. You can apply these functions one after the other, but you have to import a new image each time. I'll show you how. The first thing that you might notice, apart from that it's black and white, that this photo is low in quality. Therefore, the first step is to apply the Auto Enhancer tool, which will already make it look much better. So click on the tool, then choose an output folder, then click on Export All. When it's finished, you'll have to replace your original image with a freshly imported one, so delete the one on your batch list and then import the new one. We'll turn this into a colorful image. So click on the old photo colorizer function right here. Then click on Export All. Then once it's finished, let's import a new image again the same way as before. And finally, I will use the image upscaler tool because we need an image with a high resolution for printing. So click on the tool. Before exporting, we'll have to choose an upscaling ratio, which can be 2 times, 4 times, or even 8 times. I'll go with 4 times, but you can choose based on the resolution of your original image. Then again, click on Export All. Okay, let's take a look at the final image. Very nice. Here's the original and the enhanced one side by side. Amazing results. So I hope your results are as good as mine, and if so, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.